Yeah, I'm sorry.
She named her birthday.
Oh, we should leave her alone, 친구들.
We gotta take some chests, man.
Yeah, that's it. Let's just tell her that we're just gonna take like one chest each instead of
Fine. We'll say we'll take one chest each, okay?
That's so messed up.
No, it's not. No. Taking one chest is not that messed up.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Are you gonna actually take the most expensive one?
I don't know which one the most expensive one is.
Dude, you know. Show it to me.
This girl is singing for us so that we don't sink her ship and take all of her shit. Because she has a lot of shit on her. Like, a lot of shit.
Lower the anchor, lower the anchor.
Alright, Jason, go negotiate. Tell her we're gonna
Fine. I don't want to sink the ship, guys. That's messed up.
Yes, it's a real person singing. We're gonna take one crate for ourselves.
Okay, fine. A singular chest. That's
Oh
all.
my god, Chuck, you're gonna load it. Fucking. Oh my god, this is not good. This is not good.
Oh, holy crap! Oh, okay. I was trying to yell at them not to. I'm sorry.
Chuck, go to next cannon. Go to next cannon.
Oh!
Wait, she died!
Wait, there's a
Chuck, you dickhead!
there's another guy here. There's another guy here.
fuck.
Wait,
Hold on. I'm about to empty the water, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
no. I'm taking some chests though. Wait, which one is the best one, by the way?
The skeleton one.
Turn the ship. Turn the ship.
Herman, did you take it?
I
Herman, you
took
took the good chest, right?
the skeleton chest.
Okay. Then I'll just take this castaway chest.
What are you saying? We're sinking the ship.
Damn it. You're taking it then. Jason, just.
Alright, I took it.
Let's get off.
I
Get off.
Get off.
What do you guys want to know? The treasure?
I took one crate. Okay, see ya.
Oh my god, Chuck's gonna finish it.
Oh, hey, hold up, bro. I wasn't shooting anyone. I think it was all one of our guys' ideas. I mean, you can shoot me if you want, but I don't have anything.
Wait, Octon is here. Wait, guys, this
Yeah, no, he almost shot me, but he didn't.
새로운 로봇 내가 부른다고.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, sinking.
This feels painful. Holy crap. Alright, well, sorry, guys. I'm gonna yell at him for now.
Alright, 친구들. I stole her rowboat. We got a brand new. We got a brand new rowboat.
Rowboat, man.
Our rowboat was like getting beat up. Alright,
Come on, what's the name of this game, guys? It's Sea of Thieves.
I understand that people will do that to us all the time, but it just feels wrong when there's a girl singing to us and then we
I don't give a fuck.
what the heck?
Ooh, nice shot.
What the heck?
Stop this new rowboat for me.
Yo, I gotta get my new fucking Parrot Wheel, okay?
What?
I don't care. I don't care what I have to do. I gotta get the fucking wheel.
Mommy?
Oh my gosh, they left. Guys, they left. They left.
Get the crate, get the crate.
Just harpoon their stuff. Just harpoon.
Okay, let's harpoon.
Fuck.
Yeah, I got the wheel.
It's okay if it's like toxic 15-year-old.